Right. Okay. I think now you can able to visible that window, right? AutoCAD window.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This AutoCAD can be mm, online. It is online available. AutoCAD online. Suppose you are putting in the window in the web address webautocad.com. Okay, I will put in the text. Okay, I will give us a text in our group text message. I think you can open with your own web email ID. Okay, webautocad.com. Webautocad.com. There you can open with your email ID. Okay, have you got the text? No, கிடைச்சா? Sahidin,
Correct, sir.
Yes, sir. Correct.
text. Okay, the system learning photo you can open the AutoCAD, right?
Okay, sir.
So online itself we can able to do the AutoCAD works. So today we will see through that. Okay. So already, so here what you have to do is views. You have to open the view. Then you can have this draw, annotate, and modify. Draw the basic commands are there. Okay. So basic command initially we have seen. So today I will demonstrate that. Today I will demonstrate that video. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, today I will demonstrate this. First one is line. You can able to type the command line here. L means this line will come. Okay, L enter. L enter. Automatically this line it is coming list. Line command. Okay, line command. So first you have to specify the first point. Hello.
Yes, sir.
கேக்குதா?
கேக்குது சார்.
கேக்குது சார்.
ஓகே ஓகே. அதே மாதிரி இந்த விசிபிளாக இருக்குல்ல,
தெரியுது சார்.
தெரியுது.
ஓகே. ஸோ இது தெரியுதுல்ல, விசிபிள் இருக்குல்ல
சார்? நீங்க கேஸ்ட் பண்றது தெரியல சார்.
என்னம்மா?
நீங்க கேஸ்ட் பண்றது தெரியல, உங்க ஃபேஸ் தான் தெரியுது.
ஃபேஸ் தான் தெரியுதா? நான் கேஸ் ஒரு நிமிஷம்.
வந்துருச்சு சார்.
ஓகே, வந்துருச்சுல. ஓகே ஓகே ரைட். Okay, now we will see. Right. So suppose you are switching off the ortho. Ortho means automatically it will give the inclined line. Right. Switch on the ortho, you will get only the 90-degree angle line. Okay, understand no? 90-degree angle line. Suppose I want to draw 100 mm line, put 100, enter. 100 enter, automatically you will get the 100 mm line. Okay, understand no? Now I want to do another one line. Again you can start here. Now actually OSnap settings, here you can have to get the endpoint. OSnap settings, setting, midpoint, done. Okay, so the line command, actually it should open. Okay, now you can see the, now you can able to see the endpoint now. Actually this is a OSnap setting. Inside the OSnap setting you can able to view endpoint. Endpoint means automatically it will show the two endpoints. Okay, two endpoint, as well as midpoint means midpoint, it will show the midpoint. Intersection means two lines are crossed together, that point it is given as a intersection. Okay, center, tangent, all these things can be able to see through this OSnaps. By going these settings you can choose what are the things we want to see, that things we can able to set up here. Okay, right. This is the OSnap settings. So now I want to draw another one line at the end point. So end point automatically it will show and it will be clicked there. I want to draw a 30-degree angle line. Now I can able to put a 30-degree angle line. 30-degree angle line with a length of 75 mm. Okay, 75. Skip. So we have to come out from the command. We can put the right. Understand no? All of you. Actually, this is this line. Once again, line. We are going for the line command. Okay, with 45-degree. Right. Enter. So automatically it is giving the 45-degree angle line. Okay. Now I want to draw another 120-degree angle line. Right. For that, picking this again, go to the line. It's a point. Specify the point. Then you can choose the length of the line, or otherwise I have given one command no. 1 minute. At command at. Okay, here open it. At less than, at 100, less than 45. Very round actually. So this is a point. The line command. First initially we are selecting this point. Now this command at less than at 100 mm, less than 45. So we are getting the line. This line length is 45 mm. The line length is 100 mm at 45 degree. Okay. In this way, with this command, you can draw the correct exact angle line. Now here I want to draw another one line. I will once again remove that line. I want to draw a line this side. Okay, this side means it is 180, 180 plus 45, 125, 225. So the command is at 100 mm less than 225. Now you are getting the line with this 45-degree angle. Understand now?
Yes, sir.
புரியுதா? தர்ஷன் புரியுதுல? Okay, right. So in this way you can able to draw the lines, line and angle line. Okay. Generally you want to draw a line, uh, specify the first point, then you have to give the length. For that you can, for drawing a perpendicular line, you have to give ortho with 100 mm. So automatically you will get a 100 mm. It's a 100 mm line. You want to draw an angle line, choose the base point, then you can at 100 mm less than 70 degree. Okay, we'll put your 70 degree line. Okay, 70 degree. Okay, you'll get a 70 degree line with 100 mm. So in this way you can able to draw the lines. Okay, this is a line command. The next one is polyline. These commands already we have seen. You just install this AutoCAD in your system. After that, you can practice it. It will be easier. Okay. The next step, this is a polyline. Polyline is also one line, but it is a joint line. Okay. Suppose you are drawing a line here. Okay. I am switch of the ortho. This line, again line. Okay. So escape. Now I am selecting this line. Automatically, all the line is chosen. Okay. The same way, suppose I am drawing a normal line. This. Okay. Now I am selecting this line is a broken line. So only one segment can be selected. Suppose in a polyline it is selected, all the lines are selected. This is the difference between the polyline and ordinary line. Polyline, it is a joint line. The polylines are very much useful in during this uh, extrusion. Suppose you want to draw a three-dimensional parts, on that time it will be very much useful. Okay, on the time we have to draw with the polyline. These are all about the line commands. To delete this, what you have to do? You have to click and left click. Okay, left click and choose the lines. Then you can put the delete command. Automatically, all the lines are deleted. This is X line. Actually, it is a helping line. We want to try. This is a reference line. Okay, I want to draw a reference line here. The same way, another one perpendicular line. Same way, another one line here. Okay, so like that you can draw number of lines for your uh, this is a reference line. While you are taking the printout also, you will not see that line. Okay, perpendicular lines you can draw. This is a reference line or X line. They will tell us a X line. This is only for reference. Okay, this is a X line. Now we have seen polyline, line, and X line, then spline. Spline command in irregular shapes can be drawn with this. I'm joining this. These are all the combined parts can be drawn with this. Selecting this points, you can do the irregular length. This is through this spline command we can do that. Okay. Okay. So the next command already R command. Or otherwise first we will see this rectangle. You choose as well as you can draw the horizontal length is 100. Okay. The same way you can modify also. This is 50, 150. This rectangle dimensions. It is asking for the dimension. You can able to draw it here. That is 100, comma 50. That this like 100, comma 50. This is a rectangle. Very big. Let's go to next. One second. This is a rectangle command. Go here, choose the point, then move your cursor. You can able to get as well as the dimensions. You can able to have 50. Okay. So in this way, you can able to get the rectangle. Then circle command. I want to draw the circle here. Ortho. Okay, right. Now I want to draw the circle in the end point, right?
ரேஷன் கார்டு ஆதார் கார்டு பாஸ்போர்ட் உங்க இதோட நம்பர் எழுதிட்டு கரத்தாத்துக்கு அனுப்பணும் இந்த நம்பர் எழுதி
Okay, this is a circle. Okay, right. Circle and you have drawn the circle with the center point. And again here,
உங்க போன் எங்க
this is a midpoint. Then we can able to draw that. They have given the diameter. The diameter we can able to have it as a 50. So 50 mm diameter we can able to draw this line. Okay. So another one line. Suppose I want to draw a 40 degree, a 40 mm diameter line. So 40 diameter. Okay. Suppose you are having only the radius. Radius also you can able to draw. Again circle command. Okay, here I can choose R. Enter. It is not moving. Radius. You can able to the radius. Suppose you are putting the diameter means diameter. Diameter is 50. This is a 50 mm diameter. Understand no? Once again I will repeat this. Draw the circle command, choose a center point. Here whether you want to choose the diameter of 150, we'll put 150. Okay, 150 mm diameter. So 150 mm circle we got the circle. Okay, understand no? Right. The last one, another one is the important basic command. Another one is the arc command. We can able to draw the arc. Okay, arc. Actually, it is a basic version. Many options are not there. Okay, in the original version, we are having more number of operations are there. Okay, so initially for our practice, you can able to do that. Okay, so this is the arc command. This is a first point of the arc. Then second point, you can move the arc. Actually, this way you can able to draw the arc. Once again, actually in normal arc we are having 3 with the radius we can able to draw by joining the 2 points also we can able to draw, but here the options are not opening here. Arc starting point, we are giving starting point, and it is asking for the second point, then third point again. Okay, so it is somewhat difficult here. Okay, difficult, but mm, actually in normal arc we can able to choose the radius also, but here we cannot able to change the stretch command is there, but um, that option is not available here. So the basic arc you practice. Okay, the basic arc diagram you can practice just by clicking the arc, the specific first point as well as second point. You can specify the end point also. So with that you can able to draw the arc. This is an arc command. This is a arc command. The next one is the hatch command. The last class we have seen the hatch. ஐயோ ஆமா. ஆ சாகித்யன் கேக்குதா?
கேக்குது சார்.
ஆ ஹலோ
கேக்குது சார்.
சரிம்மா, சரி. புரிஞ்சுதா இது வரைக்கும்? பேசிக்கா நம்ம லைன் எப்படி வரையறது?
புரிஞ்சுது சார்.
புரியுதுல? ஓகே. ஆர்க் எப்படி வரையுது, லைன் எப்படி வரையுது, அகைன் ஆர்க், சர்க்கிள், ரெக்டாங்கிள். ஓகே, நீங்க அந்த you can install the online AutoCAD. There you practice these commands. Okay, the next thing we will see the modify command. Okay, as we will see afterwards. Modify command. Modify command initially draw one triangle here. Okay. So okay, now I want to mirroring this. I want to mirror this triangle that side. So for that I have to choose the triangle first, then enter, then you have to specify the mirror line, where you have to fixing the mirror line. Okay, yes, it is asking mirror erase your source object. No. Okay, this is a mirror command. What are the things drawn in the left side can be mirrored in the right side. This is called as a mirror command. Mirror. Okay, the next one is copy. I want to copy this triangle. Okay, the enter, then you have to specify the base point. Okay, from this point I want to copy, so copy, Wherever you want to move, you can paste. Okay, how many times you want to paste, you can able to paste. This is called as a copy command. Copy. This is copy, right? And it's delete. Okay. So this is a copy command. You have seen the mirror command, then we have used the copy command. The next one is you want to make a trim command. Okay, trim. So this is a line. This is a line. Then another one line here. Then we can go for the trim command. Modify. This is a trim command. Okay, you can select all the objects. Hey, everything deleted once again. You can put the command PR, double enter. You can put the double enter. What are the unwanted lines can be deleted. I want to delete this line as well as I want to delete this line. Okay, by clicking that you can able to trim the line. Okay, this is a trim command. Understand now? This is a trim command. Trim. Very important command. Trim. The next command is fillet. Fillet command. The fillet initially I want to draw one rectangle. Okay. Okay, rectangle. Now I want to fillet this edge. I want to fillet this edge. So this is a where is the fillet command. We can able to give the radius also. The radius of this is 5 mm. I am choosing the 5 mm. Enter. So these two edges I want to uh, trim, it's very small. I think so. Once again, radius 20. Enter. Okay, so from image. Now going for a fillet command. Fillet radius is 5. Radius 5. Enter. First line, then second line. Hmm, it's not coming. What is the problem? I think so. Fillet. And the radius, suppose I will give again 25. This line. This line. Thing does not come. Once again, I will try that. It is not come. Some scale problem is there. Radius of 5. Enter. Select the first object. Okay, first object selected. Okay, then select the second object. Second object. Radius it is asking. Suppose 0.5. So what is the problem? Actually, some problem is there. Fillet first line, second line. dimensions. Actually, this is 2 mm. Okay, understand, no? Actually, this is very much zoomed image. Dry line. Dry line. Okay. Now we'll go for a modify command. Radius of 10. First object. Second object. Fillet. Radius. Specify the radius 5 mm. Enter. Like the first object. Then second object. Okay. Now it's coming. Okay. See this, no? This is the fillet radius. Once again I will do that. Fillet radius R, enter. I will put 10 mm, enter. Then select the first object, then second object. Okay. So this is the radius. Okay. The sharp edges are removed. The same way you can use the chamfering command also. Chamfer, CHA. Here is coming, no? Chamfer. Chamfer. We can give the distance of 10 mm. Already in the inside the bracket 10 is there. Enter. Distance is 10 mm. Now select this part and this part. Okay, this is chamfer. Understand, no? Fillet and chamfer. Okay. Right. Okay. Everyone understand this basic commands? Whether you are having any doubt, now you can ask the doubts. Um, Sagithin, புரியுதா?
புரியுது
Uh, Bharat Kutkar, can you are you understand this, no?
Yes, sir. Sir, my
Yes,
name
sir,
is
yes,
E.T.
ET. Okay. ET.
Yeah.
Forget. It is coming Bharat like that. It is coming. Okay. You
Yeah.
understand, no? The basic commands.
Yes, sir.
I have sent
Yes,
that
sir, yes,
in the chat. I have sent the link. Okay. Online AutoCAD is available. Just you go through that. You can practice the basic commands. Okay. So next
Okay,
class
sir.
onwards we will do the experiment. Experimental some to do some drawings. So from that again you will understand the things very well. Okay. Understand, no?
Okay, sir.
Okay. We'll see in the next class. Okay. Thank you.
thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mom.